Almost. I just need to grab my passport.
Don't forget to double check everything.
Passport, phone, wallet, charger. Okay, I think we're good.
Great, let's go. Heading to the airport? Yes, Terminal 2, please.
I can't believe we're finally going on vacation.
Me neither.
Oh no,
What's wrong?
we're cutting it close.
Relax, we'll be there in no time. I hope you're right.
Let's hurry. I hope we aren't late.
We still have time.
Good morning. May I see your passports, please? Wait,
What?
I can't find my passport.
Take your time.
There it is.
You scared me.
Could you place your suitcase on the scale? Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes,
Do you have any bags to check?
just this one.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. Place your bag on the belt. Empty your pockets. Please step through. One more time.
Flight 247 to Rome is now boarding. That's us. Last call for passengers on Flight 247.
Good thing we didn't stop for another coffee.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
We made it. This trip was definitely
Worth the wait.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lingo Log. Today, we're learning travel English with Stefan and Rose. Let's jump in. First up,
We're cutting it close.
this means we're almost late. There's very little time left. Example, hurry, we're cutting it close. Next, at check-in, you'll hear, "May I see your passport, please?" This is a polite, formal way to make a request. You'll also hear it as, "May I see your ticket, please?" Staff will also ask,
Did you pack your bags yourself?
this is a standard security question. You'll hear it at every airport. Just be ready to say, yes. At security, listen for,
empty your pockets.
this means take everything out of your pockets before you walk through. Example, please empty your pockets before you walk through. At the gate, you might hear,
Last call for passengers.
this means it's your final chance to board. Hurry. Example, last call for flight 247. And finally, the best phrase of any trip.
We made it.
This means you succeeded. You arrived just in time. Example, the traffic was terrible, but we made it. That's it for today. Practice these 6 phrases, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.